A. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for arrow. A for acorn. A for air. A for angel. A for ankle. A for aunt. A for arm. A for avocado. B. B for baby. B for bus. B for banana. B for basket. B for bucket. B for ball. B for book. B for bat. B for balloon. B for butterfly. C. C for cat. C for cake. C for cup. C for candle. C for car. C for crab. C for cow. C for coat. C for cap. C for camera. C for comb. C for camel. C for crocodile. D. D for door. D for duck. D for doll. D for dolphin. D for dates. D for doctor. D for drum. D for deer. D for dress. D for diamond. D for dice. D for donkey. D for dinosaur. D for duster. D for dinner. D for donut. D for dance. D for dirty. D for dust. D for dots. D for drawing. D for daughter. D for darkness. D for drops. D for daddy. D for diamond shape. D for drinking. D for December. E for egg. E for air. E for eye. E for earth. E for eat. E for eight. E for eraser. E for eagle. E for envelope. E for elephant. E for eggplant. F for fox. F for fish. F for fly. F for frog. F for fire. F for four. F for five. F for foot. F for flute. F for fruit. F for fingers. F for farmer. F for flower. G for grapes. G for girl. G for gift. G for glue. G for goat. G for grass. G for gloves. G for globe. G for guitar. G for goose. G for garden. G for glasses. G for gorilla. G for giraffe. G for grasshopper. G for goldfish. H for hat. H for hair. H for harp. H for hand. H for hill. H for house. H for heart. H for happy. H for horse. H for hippo. H for honey. H for hammer. H for hamster. H for hamburger. H for helicopter. H for hen. H for Halloween. I for ice. I for ink. I for ivy. I for idea. I for iron. I for iris. I for igloo. I for icicles. I for insects. I for iguana. I for island. I for iceberg. I for ice cream. I for ice skating. J for jug. J for jet. J for jam. J for jump. J for jeans. J for juice. J for jaguar. J for jacket. J for jungle. J for jellyfish. J for jelly beans. K for key. K for kiwi. K for king. K for kitten. K for kick. K for kite. K for me. K for knife. K for kettle. K for kitchen. K for keyboard. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. L for lamb. L for leaf. L for lake. L for lamp. L for love. L for lips. L for leg. L for ladybug. L for ladder. L for lollipop. L for letter. L for library. M. M for monkey. M for moon. M for milk. M for map. M for mammoth. M for maze. M for money. M for magnet. M for mosquito. M for marbles. M for mushroom. N. N for nose. N for night. N for 9. N for nurse. N for numbers. N for nest. N for neck. N for noodles. N for notebook. N for necklace. N for newspaper. O. O for orange. O for owl. O for onion. O for one. O for ocean. O for octopus. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for oval. O for overalls. P. P for parrot. P for pear. P for penguin. P for papaya. P for pomegranate. P for pineapple. P for panda. P for pig. P for pizza. P for pencil. P for photos. P for popcorn. P for puzzle. Q for queen. Q for quiche. Q for quince. Q for question. Q for quail. Q for quilt. Q for quarter. Q for quill. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rain. R for reindeer. R for rainbow. R for red. R for ring. R for raccoon. R for rice. S for star. S for snow. S for seal. S for spider. S for snail. S for sun. S for sky. S for seahorse. S for shark. S for swan. S for snake. S for sheep. S for shoes. S for strawberry. T for train. T for tree. T for tiger. T for truck. T for tomato. T for teeth. T for turtle. T for toast. T for 10. T for trumpet. T for triangle. U for umbrella. U for unhappy. U for unicorn. U for urchin. U for unicycle. U for unwrap. U for utensils. U for underline. U for under. U for up. V for vegetables. V for violin. V for vulture. V for van. V for Venus. V for vacation. V for wet. V for volcano. V for Valentine. V for vest. W for wolf. W for waiter. W for whale. W for white. W for watermelon. W for winter. W for witch. W for watch. W for walrus. W for waterfall. W for window. W for right. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for X-ray fish. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Y for yellow. Y for York. Y for yogurt. Y for yacht. Y for yam. Y for yes. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zigzag. Z for zero. Z for zipper. Z for zucchini. Z for zinnia. Z for zeppelin.